old are you?
My age 33.
33. And which lady you want to talk to?
Anyone. I respect all.
Don't say
Which
anyone.
one?
I will give you another chance.
Which girls talk to me? I will ready for
No,
him.
it's not like that. This is my show. I say, I'm asking you, which lady you want to talk to. I'll give you another chance. Huh?
777. What name? Sadhu but.
Amanda. Your uncle is, your...
Hello, how are you?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
What's up? What's up? What's going on? How old are you again?
My age 33. How about you?
You're 33. I'm 28.
MashaAllah, you are so young, huh? What is your work?
I'm a jockey.
Jockey. I am working in Saudi Arabia restaurant. I am a chef.
You're a chef.
Yeah, I'm making Italian.
Are you gonna cook some good stuff for me? No. What are you? Okay, you come on to this speed dating. So what are you looking for?
I want to marry some girls.
You want to marry so fast,
Yes.
so quick, like this?
Are you married? Sir, can I ask you a question? Are you married now? Are you single or married?
I want to marry.
No, now. Are you married in Pakistan?
No, I'm not. I'm not married.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh.
Why?
Okay, just asking.
Do you have kids?
I don't have.
You have baby?
Mafi, we don't have baby. Why? I'm lied to you?
No, I'm just asking. I'm asking. Do you have anything to ask me?
Yeah, I'm asking to you. What is your what do you think about me? If you're ready to me or no?
I think you're not 30, whatever you said.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
So let me ask the question. Amanda, is it a yes? Do you want to match with me?
Look at my face, baby. It's friendship.
Yeah, thank you so much, Amanda. Thank you so much, Uncle, for coming. But Amanda is not yours. Thank you so much. Okay, we have a new lady.